Hello? 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 Hey, I think we got it working now. All right. Let's go to take a look at the new lab and see what's inside. We're all set up now. All right. This is the front room, and we're headed over here. Back there in that corner is a dry mount press. It's for mounting photographs, artwork, that sort of thing. Our sewing center. We got two embroidery machines. One's quite large, the other one smaller, a normal sewing machine. There's a little area there for photo editing. Printer, some other stuff here. Yeah, there's our photo editing site. Come in here and take a look at the wide carriage printers. That computer right there is one of the computers used for the lasers. And we got two wide carriage printers. The big one in the back is 42 inches, so for posters, that sort of thing. And then a 24-inch printer that you see, that's a true photographic printer, so it's produces very high quality output. Got a little mini workshop area. We can do PC board work over and other things that require a little banging and drilling, that sort of thing. And let's head back here to where the lasers are. We've got two lasers. They're both identical. They're 24 by 36 inch lasers. They're 100 watts. And you can see the computer there for controlling them. And it's quite a nice machine. There's the inside. Yeah. Over here is the electronics area. We've got two benches, quite a few parts, that sort of thing. One bench is more for analog digital work. The other bench here is for RF work, signal generator, spectrum analyzer, that sort of thing. Go back here. This is the side door. We use this. Most of the members use this for going in and out. It has a lock where they can enter their code number into it to get in. This is a kind of craft room. Those two big cabinets back there are full of all kinds of craft items: paper, scissors, glue, pipe cleaners, that sort of thing. We can also use a room for small meetings. We got a whiteboard back there, a table. And let's go on through out of this room and into the kitchenette area. Kitchenette area here has a refrigerator, has a microwave, sink, some storage for various things. And all right, and restrooms back this way. We share this hallway with another suite, so but our restroom's back there on the right. This is 3D printer alley. We've got lots of 3D printers. And right there, that's a setup for doing resin casting, and we got a resin type 3D printer in the background there. You can see it, and we've got 4 other 3D printers, and there'll be probably end up being some more computers, that sort of thing, in here as well. On these benches, there's a 3D scanner in the box there. And over on this side, we have a couple of CNC routers. This CNC router is a crafty. It's made for small projects, that sort of thing. Things we wouldn't want to put on a great big CNC that's over at the other place. And there's a small, very, very precise CNC router. And this one's primarily for making circuit boards. And it'll do the 2-colored plastic kind of things. Back in the main room, we've got a 24-inch laminator and also a t-shirt press right there. A hot press for making t-shirts. And a nice light table for working with the vinyl, weeding the vinyl and other art type objects, things we're doing. There's a 24-inch vinyl cutter. And then some just general computing, that sort of thing, a little printer back there, and then a large, we've got, 5 tables all put together. They can be moved around, but they can be used for meetings or to have plenty of area to spread out your projects. But that's pretty much it, and it's a real nice spot. Thanks.